Do you own an Audi with the older MMI system and wish you had Apple CarPlay or Android Auto? It's a common wish for many owners. Before spending money at a workshop, there are a few important checks you can do yourself to save time and money. In this video, I'll show you step by step what to verify, what you need, and how the upgrade usually works for your Audi. Step 1. Identify your MMI version. Turn on the ignition, open the main menu, and look for Setup or Settings. Look for version information or software information. Depending on your Audi model, the menu names may change slightly. Write down the software version, navigation version, and system type. This is essential for finding the right kit. This information is vital because not every Audi MMI supports the same type of hardware or software upgrade. Step 2. Check if your car already has the correct hardware for multimedia integration. It might be easier than you think. Look for the USB port, AUX input, or the Audi Music interface port inside the glove box or center armrest. Some models have these near the gear selector. Finding these ports helps determine if you need extra modules. Some newer Audi models can activate the smartphone interface via software, while older ones need a physical module. Step 3. Check compatibility by model year. Many Audi vehicles from 2016 and newer may already support activation. Older models often need an external interface box. This box connects between the original MMI unit and the display. This module allows you to keep your original Audi menu while adding modern CarPlay or Android Auto functionality. Step 4. Choose the correct module. Never buy a generic unit without checking your exact Audi model and year. Check your screen size, MMI generation, and whether your car has factory navigation or a parking camera. The wrong module can cause black screens or audio issues. Always verify compatibility before making a purchase. Step 5. Installation. In most cases, the trim around the head unit must be removed carefully using plastic tools. The module is connected using plug-and-play cables, usually without cutting any of the original factory wiring. The original Audi connector goes into the new harness, which then connects back to the original MMI unit. Step 6. First startup. Turn on the car, wait for the MMI to boot, then switch to the CarPlay interface. Connect your phone with USB or pair wirelessly if supported. For Android, follow the same process with Android Auto. Step 7. Test everything. Check audio, calls, and microphone quality. Test your maps and all steering wheel buttons. Ensure the reverse camera and parking sensors still work perfectly and that original Audi menus are still accessible. This upgrade can completely transform an older Audi interior. Always verify your system before buying anything. If this guide helped you, subscribe to the channel for more detailed Audi tutorials. See you in the next video.